Once you remove the machine out of the box, it's going to come with a 25-foot extension cord. You're going to have a 25-foot blower, your GFCI for your extension, your dump valve has a 45-degree PVC for the dumping, the spray gun, then you have your bottle cap with the solution hose so that you can put your chemical. It comes with a metering tip so that you can put, depending on the ratio of your bottle that you need. On our Dragon machine, you're going to see two switches. We have a motor switch and a pump switch. You will also see in the center a toggle switch, which will control the function of either the motor or the pump, so you don't use both of them at the same time and pop your breakers. Right below your toggle switch, you will see a timer. This is going to give you the hours that you have used your pump, so that you know that you need to do rebuild kits after approximately 1,000 hours of use. Here you have your 1 1/4-inch bar for your hose vacuuming. Here you have your 1/4-inch male QD, which you will connect your solution hose to. Down in the solution tank, you open up your lid. You will find your relief valve. Make sure you turn the relief valve to relieve the pressure in your unit before you use it. One of our features that we have on our Dragon is the locking casters so that you can lock them into place while you are working and they don't roll away from you. Before using your machine, ensure that you put some Defoamer into your recovery tank, which is a dirty water tank. You will remove the lid, and based on whatever ratio it tells you on your Defoamer, this one is half a capful of Defoamer into the tank. You will fill up your cap, just pour it right into the tank, and you're good to go. Along with your machine, you will be receiving a Faucet closed connection so that you can fill up your solution tank, easy access with the sink. What you will do is you will put one end of the hose into the tank, you want to hold it, while on the other end, you will hold it and use it in the sink, and as you can see, it will begin to fill up the machine. Your machine will come with a 25-foot solution hose. You will connect one female end to your male end on the machine. You will retract it, push it in and release. You will take your other female end, connect it to your spray gun, retracting it, inserting it and releasing. The machine also comes with a 25-foot vacuum hose. You will connect the end of the cup to your barb. You will take your other end of your vacuum hose and connect it to the end of your wand. So you're going to be receiving your machine with the bottle cap and its lid. You will take the cap off, insert it into your universal bottle, like so. And you will put this in your little basket behind your machine. Take this cap and just twist it on, tighten it up, and you're good to go. You'll take your 25-foot extension cord and you're going to put one end to your GFCI and the other end to your outlet in the wall. Once you have ensured that your unit is plugged in, the first function you're going to use is your pump. You're going to be spraying your water on the toilets, flooring, walls, whatever it is that you're cleaning. You will open the little door, which is a cover to protect from any water getting into your switch. You will ensure that your toggle switch is pointing to your pump, when you will switch it on, and your pump will be ready for spraying. Low pressure for your chemical spray pattern. upwards is chemical and water. You just turn it down for just plain water. This way you can use your spray gun to spray high pressure, low pressure with just plain water. Once you are done with the spraying process, you will switch the button off to turn off your pump and close your button. When you're ready to start using your vacuum motor, then you will turn the toggle switch to the other button, open up your little cover and switch your motor on, and then you may begin to suction your water off the floors, off your walls, or use your blower. You'll come up to your journal, whatever you want. Scrubber to scrub on against the floor, the grout, tile. Has this little cup at the end so you can turn it in position. Get into certain part of these areas. When getting ready to empty out your solution tank, what you're going to do is you're going to take your vacuum hose, put it on your barb, and you're going to take your other end of the vacuum hose and you're going to put it directly into the solution tank. In order to remove all of your water or chemical from your solution tank, you will need to put your toggle switch towards the motor side, turn on your motor, put your vacuum inside of the solution tank, which will vacuum everything into your recovery tank. Then you can use the dump valve in the back to dispose of all of the excess water. When you're ready to dump out your dirty water, make sure you're at a nearby drain. You will flip this up and you'll begin dumping water out. Once you have emptied out your recovery tank and you're ready to put it away, ensure that you take out your shutoff valve, which looks like a candy cane. Make sure you clean it off. It gets any debris, hairs, anything locked in there. You want to rinse it off. All you have to do is unscrew it, wash it out. There's a little ball inside. Just put it back in. It's all clean. Leave it out so that it dries out and doesn't smell in your tank. Once it's dried out completely, then you can put it back in for storage and put your lid back on. Here's your inline filter. You will unscrew it. It will have some water inside, so be careful. You'll remove this filter, wash it out, make sure that there's no debris on it. Wash your little cup as well. Once it's all clean and dry, go ahead and place the filter back inside and screw it back on. And now your inline filter is clean.